So which is party number one in terms of membership? A huge political fight has erupted over BJP's claims that it is the party with over 8 crore members now. BJP says that it will soon touch the 10 crore mark, but the Congress is only laughing off the BJP's claims, saying that their entire membership drive is nothing but a joke.
हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष अमित शाह जी लगातार पार्टी को प्रोत्साहित करते हुए, सबको लगाते हुए, सब काम करते हुए आज ये हमारे लिए एक बड़ी सफलता है कि 8.5 करोड़ लोग भाजपा के सदस्य बन गए हैं और विश्व की सबसे बड़ी पार्टी के रूप में हम उभर के आज बने हैं। इसी को देखते हुए हो सकता है अन्य कई पार्टियों को लगता होगा अब सदस्यता की महत्व क्या है, लेकिन भाजपा हमेशा शुरू से ही अपने सदस्यों के प्रति प्रतिबद्ध रही है और अपने कार्यकर्ताओं की मेहनत पर इस कगार तक आज यहां इस सफलता तक पहुंच चुकी है।
Aishwarya and Nandita, in fact, now join us on that story. Nandita, has it caused heartburn within the Congress that the BJP has now laid claim to being the largest party in the world as far as membership is concerned?
Well, of course, on the record, the Congress says that the way the BJP is conducting its membership drive is faulty because, the way it's working out is that you give a missed call and, you're registered as a BJP member, so there's no verification process. So on record, the Congress saying that these numbers are highly inflated, exaggerated, but there's no doubt about the fact that as of now, the momentum of the membership drive of the BJP would perhaps be much faster and much better than the Congress, which 4 years ago had counted its members as 3.5 crore, and let me tell you, there's not been much addition to that. In fact, it was in end of February that the membership drive of the Congress that the deadline was set and it had to be wrapped up. But that deadline has been extended indefinitely right now simply because people were not coming forward and joining the Congress. So while the Congress today may openly laugh at the BJP saying that 8.8 is an exaggerated figure, the fact is that they themselves are struggling to get people to join their fold.